I'm bringing you another story. This time it's about Nwanyeke, the woman that loved money more than she loved children. Once upon a time, there was a woman called Nwanyeke. Nwanyeke loved money. She was a trader. She had this hen that was always laying multitude of eggs and hatching them and raising them, and none would die. Nwanyeke would always sell the chicken from the hen and was making a lot of money. But then, each time Nwanyeke was pregnant and had a baby, after some time, the child will die. Nwanyeke did not understand it, but she was fixed on selling her chicken and making her money. The second child died. The third child died. She decided to go and see a native doctor called Omenkafulnanya. She went to the native doctor and narrated her problem and said each time she had children, her children would die. She didn't know what was causing it. Omenkafulnanya then said to her, but you have a hen that was laying eggs, and the eggs were hatching, and you were selling the chicken. She said, yes. Omenkafulnanya said, you know what? Go and kill that hen, because that hen is exchanging the heads of his chick with the head of your children. As long as that hen was having chicks, your children would never live. Nwanyeke did not want to sell the hen. She came back. She didn't think it was true because she wanted to be selling the chicken and making money. Then she had the last child, very beautiful child. She named her Oyilona. Oyilona turned 6, didn't die, 7, 8. In her 8th year, she died. Nwanyeke was unhappy, cried, and continued selling her chicken. One day she went to the market. Oyilona came and as a ghost from the spirit world and started doing chores for her mother. She would wash the plates, sweep the compound, sweep the bedroom, sweep everywhere, fetch water for her mother. But while she was doing these chores, she was singing. Kozabezio, kozabezio, kokuko biaza, embilimbo yilo no kuko kama, kochube mili, kokuko biachuo, bilimbo yilo no kuko kama, kojebenko, kokuko biaje, embilimbo yilo no kuko kama, sabefele, kokuko biasa, embilimbo yilo no kuko kama, kozabezio, kokuko biaza. What she was saying was, let me start sweeping the compound. Let the hen come and sweep. Let me start washing plates. Let me start sweeping the house. Let me start fetching firewood. Let's see the chicken, the hen, come and do all these chores. While she was singing, she did all the chores. She left. When Nwanyeke came home, she saw that she had abundant water. She had firewood, everywhere was clean, her plates, everything was in order, like she had a child in the house. She was confused. She didn't know. She started asking the villagers, which child came to do all these chores for me? No, none of the children said they did. So she went to the market the next day. Oyilona came out again. I was doing the chores and singing again. Kozabezio, kokuko biaza, embilimbo yilo no kuko kama, kochube mili, kokuko biachuo, bilimbo yilo no kuko kama, kojebenko, kokuko biaje, embilimbo yilo no kuko kama, kosabefele, kokuko biasa, Wili mgbe oyi lọ n'ọkụkọ ka mma, ka ọ zabezi ya ka ọkụkọ bịa zaa. Wili mgbe oyi lọ n'ọkụkọ ka mma. She finished the chores. She left again. Nwanyị came back, her chores were done. The next time she went to the market, on the way she turned back, came and hid somewhere to see who was doing these chores for her. Oilona came out again and started doing the chores and started singing again. Kọzabezio, kọzabezio, ka ọkụkọ bịa zaa. Mgbịlịgba olilo na ọkụkọ ka mma. Ka o chube mmiri o, ka ọkụkọ bịa chuo. Mgbịlịgba olilo na ọkụkọ ka mma. Ka o jebe nkụ o, ka ọkụkọ bịa jee. Mgbịlịgba olilo na ọkụkọ ka mma. Ka ọ saba efele, ka ọkụkọ bịa saa. Mgbịlịgba olilo na ọkụkọ ka mma. Ka ọ zabezio, ka ọkụkọ bịa zaa. Mgbịlịgba olilo na ọkụkọ ka mma. Nwanyeke ran out from the bush where she hid herself and grabbed Oilona. Oilona slipped out of her hands and started running. Nwanyeke was running after the Oilona. Oilona was running in front. Nwanyeke was calling, Oilona, my daughter, Oilona, my daughter. Oilona was running. And when they passed people, everybody saw just Nwanyeke. They never saw Oilona because she was a spirit. And they thought she was crazy. There was no child. There was no Oilona, and they knew Oilona was dead some months back. She kept running after Oilona until Oilona ran into the evil forest. She too ran into evil forest with Oilona to catch Oilona and never came out of that evil forest. That's the end of this story. You can tell me what you think about this woman who loved money more than she loved children.